Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Scotto, and I like to do videos on luxury, unboxings, hauls, all kinds of luxury videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, then please hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So today's video is going to be a requested video, and it's going to be my Balenciaga Triple S sneaker review. So yeah, if you want to see what my thought and my opinion are on these sneakers, then just keep on watching. So these are my Balenciaga Triple S sneakers, and I have the ones with the clear sole. I do have a video on these shoes of unboxing and a little like first impressions, I want to say, so go check it out. I will try to leave a link above this video, or I can put it in the description box if I can figure out how to do that. So yeah, I'm going to start off with the pros of these sneakers, and then I'll get into the cons of these sneakers. So the pros of the sneakers. So the first pro that I have for these sneakers is that they are so comfortable, and don't mind me looking down occasionally because I do have notes on these sneakers, so I wanted to make sure I got everything. But yes, the first pro is that they are super comfortable. These are my most comfortable sneakers I own, better than the Gucci A sneakers that I did recently a review on, so go check that video out. But yes, these sneakers are so comfortable. They are a very chunky sneaker. They're like a dad shoe, you know. That's the whole point behind this shoe, is that they're a dad shoe. So yeah, they are super comfortable. They have a very thick sole, so they will give you some height. My next pro on these sneakers, they are so easy to dress. Up or down. You could wear these with a dress, you could wear this with a skirt, whatever your kind of vibe is, you could definitely wear these and look good in them. I love how they're white. They do have multiple colorways, but I wanted to just stick with the white kind of sneaker because at the time I was looking for like a basic white kind of sneaker, and I'm so glad that I got this colorway, although I do want more colorways. I do want the tan and black one. I can't find them anywhere, but I've seen them all over like Instagram and Pinterest, and I think they're super cute and also can go with a lot of things that I wear because I'm more of like a neutral kind of person. Like I like wearing grays, whites, blacks, just very neutral colors. So these shoes fit perfectly into my wardrobe. But yeah, those are my first two pros. My third pro is like my most like happiest pro ever, if that makes sense, that these shoes do not get easily dirty. It's kind of weird because as thick as the sole is, it's hard for the shoe, the top of the shoe to get dirty, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I found these shoes not getting dirty at all. I've worn them in the rain, I've worn them in the summer. Winter has not come yet where I am, so I haven't worn them in the snow. I don't know if I will wear them in the snow, probably not, but I've worn them like a ton, and the top of it has not gotten dirty at all. And great, my battery is dying once again, so I'm gonna go through all these very quickly. So that was my third pro for these sneakers. My fourth and my last pro is that these sneakers are so durable. They are very thick and very well made. The stitching is perfect. None of it has come out. I haven't had to clean these shoes, so yeah, they're made very well. I love that. The material is very thick and it just wraps around my foot very perfectly and comfortably. So yeah, they're made very well. And this is the bottom of the sole. I don't know if that's gonna gross people out, but barely the bottom gets dirty. I mean, it is getting like a off-white yellowish kind of tint, but they're not getting as dirty as I thought they would get. And also the middle of the sole still says Balenciaga, and it's in perfect condition, so I'm glad about that. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the cons of these shoes, and I only have one because these are my favorite shoes, and that is that they are so heavy. They're heavy to wear, guys. Oh, and also, you know what, I thought of another con that I should have mentioned, but I'll get to that. I will get to that in a second. Wow. Okay. So yeah, these shoes are very heavy when you walk in them. When I first got them, I literally felt like I was walking like a duck. I literally had to pick up my feet when I was walking, but now that I have a hang of them, they're so comfortable and I love wearing them. But also my second con is that I cannot drive with these shoes on, guys, and it frustrates me so much because I love wearing them, and the days that I want to like go out by myself and wear these shoes, I can't because I can't drive in them. First time I tried driving in them, it literally hits the gas and the brake at the same time, and I was panicking, full on panicking. So scary. So yeah, can't drive in these shoes. Maybe you guys out there can. You guys are a pro and I give it to you, I hand it to you, but I cannot drive in these shoes, and I will never drive in these shoes because that was terrifying what happened to me. Never forget that. But yeah, so that's the last con, and my battery is warning me it is going to die soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And I'm gonna like insert like a clip before or after this video of me wearing these shoes. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But go follow me on Instagram. I will leave my name here on the screen. I will post some pictures about of these shoes. I actually have one picture up of these shoes, so yeah. Give me a comment if you have any questions, or you want to see other kinds of videos on these shoes, or any other video ideas. I would greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for requesting this video, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.